Finding sources of unsecured funding fast when you need it can be difficult, time-consuming, and ultimately very frustrating if you don't know what you are doing. Here at FastUnsecured.com, we help people and business owners find unsecured funding for their immediate needs by tapping into our network of select lenders offering low interest, high credit limit credit cards without the typical paperwork, bureaucracy, and waiting time normally associated with other types of financing, such as bank loans, bank lines of credit, and SBA loans. Since 2009, our experts at FastUnsecured.com have helped thousands of satisfied clients just like you secure funding via unsecured credit cards with respected lenders such as Capital One, American Express, Barclays, the Navy Credit Union, and more at very low interest rates, averaging 12.1% per year and high credit limits up to $50,000 per lender. Our experts here at FastUnsecured.com are able to analyze your credit report and either tell you what needs to be fixed and how to fix it before you can get approved for funding. Or, if you already qualify, submit your application to hand-pick lenders from our database who are able to approve you typically within 2 days and fund you typically within 7 days from the time you apply with us. Our experts will submit multiple applications on your behalf to a select group of 27 lenders, the ones who are most likely to approve you. You can achieve multiple approvals quickly, and by combining the credit limits on these approvals, we can get you as much funding as possible, as high as $250,000, very rapidly. We specialize in helping business owners as well as employees get fast access to cash for either business or personal reasons, without any collateral, without income documentation, and we do all of the work for you. Our expertise is in achieving success for you. We focus on unsecured credit cards, multiple approvals, and fast results. So why would you let us submit credit card applications for you when you can do that by yourself online? Because we can get you more money at lower interest faster. Did you know that if you apply for funds to more than 6 banks within a 6-month period who do not approve you, we'll report those inquiries to the credit bureaus, and that building up inquiries begins to decrease your credit score? And did you know that future banks who review your report will find it suspicious that you have so many applications and rejections and consider you risky for a loan? Do you know which banks can give you high credit limits, low annual interest rates, and lending criteria that suit your needs? Do you know what improvements to your credit report will make your chances of getting a loan much better? Do you know which banks offer the lowest annual rates and highest credit limits? Do you know how to claim big sums of cash from your new card without being limited by cash advance limits? This is the expertise our agents have, which will save you time, frustration, and headaches. Let us do the hard work for you. Let us send your application to the most promising lenders that we have worked with for years. Go to our website and apply for your free analysis now. Still nervous? Are you worried about flaws in your credit reports that may hurt your chances? Our free analysis will discover them, and we will provide a strategy to lift your score. We will refer you to our sister companies like TopTradeLines.com, which helps people improve their credit scores by adding them as authorized users to another person's credit card accounts, which raises the credit scores accordingly. Does your business need a corporate structure to protect your assets and add to your credit history? Our sister company, WholesaleShelfCorporations.com, provides aged and seasoned corporate entities to people like you. This is similar to large companies buying other companies. The entire history is therefore owned by the conglomerate. So, if a new company buys a corporation that was established years before and has a clean credit history, then the entire record of the combined company becomes the story of the new joined entity. Are there other advantages to going with FastUnsecured.com? Absolutely. Unlike some competitors, we don't ask for money up front. Until our customer has been successful, you don't pay any money out of your pocket. Once you begin to receive credit cards in the mail, we request a small percentage of the credit acquired as a success fee. We don't get paid until you are funded. Many more good reasons are contained on our webpage, FastUnsecured.com. including information to help you make an informed decision and check out testimonials from others like you. FastUnsecured.com offers a free, no-obligation credit analysis to help you decide how soon you want your money and gives us the tools we need to decide which lenders would be the best fit for our customers. We know where the money is, and we know how to get it. Don't take our word for it. Listen to the success stories from some of our recent customers.
Within 3 days, I got approved for $50,000 plus in business credit cards and personal. I got a venture card right here, $30,000. Personal card. I got a business card from Capital One Spark with a $15,000 limit. And I got a Discover card, personal card, with a $5,000 limit.
So the next day after filling out the application, I got my first approval from Capital One for $12,500, which was amazing. And then the next day, I got 2 more approvals. One was from Barclays for $9,750, and the other was from US Airways MasterCard for $15,000.
And I came across FastUnsecured.com, and within less than a week, I had already been secured about $12,000 in line of credit.
I ended up with a card from Capital One for $18,050, another one from Barclays for $7,500, and a third one from Chase for $20,300. I had my money in a week and couldn't be happier with my experience.
It is easy to reach FastUnsecured.com experts for support or ask questions. There is a live chat connecting to real people 24 hours per day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. There is also a phone number that will be answered by real people who are employed by FastUnsecured.com, familiar with our services. Need funds fast? Well, don't delay. Click on the Apply Now button on our homepage. You can have your approvals within 2 days and your funds shortly thereafter. You will be well on your way to financial security with FastUnsecured.com. Get funded fast with no hassle. FastUnsecured.com.